Pronunciation for natural sounding English. Contractions sound natural. It's, I'm, your, were. Remember, for speaking practice, it's important to speak out loud. Ready? Listen and repeat. I'm a student. You're a teacher. She's a dentist. It's a nice day. It's a new car. We're hungry. They're sick. I'm a new student. You're a nice teacher. He's a good dentist. It's a really hot day. She's a busy teacher. They're really hungry. We're in the office. They're under the table. And we're done. Good job with contractions.